Welcome to this video course, and I'm going to be explaining to you how to make money online without selling anything. Internet marketing is becoming very popular, and lots of people are searching online how to make money online. Unfortunately, it's becoming saturated. There's a lot of affiliates out there, people trying to promote affiliate products, and there's a lot of competition out there, and it's becoming harder to make money online with all this competition. Of course, you could still rise to the top. You gotta, find more creative ways to become successful. So basically, with all that competition out there, I want to explain in this video course another method, another route that you can go in terms of making money online, which requires less pressure, requires just helping people out, and just providing helpful content. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next few videos where I'm going to explain how you could do this, how you could make money online without trying to sell anything to people. You may have heard of the arbitrage method, where marketers will pay for traffic and drive that traffic to one of their websites where they get paid whenever visitors click on their ads. So basically, their profit is the revenues they get from those ads minus the expenses of paying for traffic. Now, this method I'm going to explain is an arbitrage method, but instead of paying for traffic and driving it to a website, what you're going to do here is you're going to get traffic. You could actually pay for it or get free traffic and drive it to a squeeze page first, okay? And a squeeze page, for those of you who don't know, is a lead generation page, a page where you offer something for free, and the visitor will opt in, fill in their email address, and get your free product. So here, as you can see, I have $0 as a free download. You just click on here, and they'll be asked to enter their email address. Another option is to just enter or to put an opt-in form on here instead of this button. Okay, so once somebody opts in, eventually they'll get brought to your thank you page here. And step one asks your visitors to whitelist your email. And then step two is check out your blog, where you will have these ads on there so that they can click on there, they can read the blog posts, and also click on your ads, and you'll get paid for that. Okay, and of course on this page down below is the link to the free downloads. Now, you don't have to create the content for these blogs. You could actually buy blogs out there, done for you blogs, and I'll cover that in another video. Okay, so here is an example. Let's say you drive them to this blog right here. You'll have ads up here, and all throughout the site you will have advertisements, and whenever someone clicks, they will get, or you will get paid. Okay, now where do you find these pre-made blogs that are already done for you? Well, you could just do a Google search for PLR blogs. Okay, and these are some of the sites that I came across when you do a search for PLR blogs. Okay, there's premadenishes.com, and as you can see here, they have several blogs that you can purchase from their site for cheap, for as low as $17. And another thing too, when you get these blogs, a lot of the content's already on there. If you want to add more content, you can just do a search for PLR articles, or you can also outsource and just hire a ghostwriter. Okay, you could also go to flippa.com, where you can buy and sell unique websites. Okay, now let's continue with PLR blogs. Another one is plrkits.com. Another one is plrwebsiteshop.com. Another one is plrblogs.info. You could also go to the Warrior Forum and do search for PLR blogs. Okay, and there's also eliteplrblogs.com and blogsbiz.com. Now, when you're placing the ads on your blogs, You can use AdSense as a platform to get paid. Now, however, a lot of people do have trouble getting approved for AdSense, and some people even just get banned from AdSense. So there are a lot of alternatives out there, fortunately, and one of the very popular ones is a site called RevenueHits.com, and here it's very easy and simple. You can get approved quickly, and you can start running and putting ads on your blogs and getting paid for clicks. Okay, I do suggest you do search for other platforms out there that you could use, but to start out with, you can use RevenueHits.com, and that's a very popular program that you could use to start getting paid for clicks on ads. Now, there are several traffic methods that you can use, but I'll just list a couple of the traffic methods that I like to use and that a lot of marketers actually like to use and have used with success. Okay, the first one here is solo ads, and that is where you pay someone that has a list to email their list your offer. So you provide them the swipe or the text to put in their emails, and you would provide them with a link to your squeeze page. Okay, and you could do a Google search for solo ad networks out there. Just off the top of my head, my favorite one is Udemy, Udimi. So go to udemy.com, and that's a great solo ad network. And that's where you could rate and provide feedback on solo ad sellers, and you could see how good of quality their traffic is before buying from them. And there are others out there. You could also just contact vendors and also other people that are already in your niche and just ask them if they could email their list if they have a list. Okay, another traffic method you could use is ad swaps, and this is a free traffic method, and is where you agree with someone else that has a list to basically email each other's offers. So the only problem with this is that you would need a list first if you're going to do an ad swap with someone. So to start off with, I do recommend you purchase solo ads first. Another traffic method you could use is YouTube videos, and of course this is free. You just create videos or purchase PLR videos and edit them a little so that they are unique. And because if you do upload duplicate videos on YouTube, they will not get approved. Okay, so create videos. So this is a free traffic method. It does take time and effort, but again, it is free. So if you have the time, you could create videos and put a link under the videos, a link inside the description to your squeeze page. Okay, so I just want to share a few other tips in this video. The first one is autoresponders. Okay, I didn't really go into too much detail in the other video where I explained that you can start driving traffic to your blogs, because once people are on your list, you can set up autoresponders through your autoresponder software, and you could send messages saying, hey, check out this article or check out this tip, and drive your subscribers to various articles in your blog. And of course, these articles will have more ads, and the greater the content, the more likely they'll click on the ads on these articles. Okay, another thing too is, you now have a list. Once you are gathering these leads, you now have a list, and feel free to promote paid offers too. Okay, you don't always just have to drive them to free content. Once you develop a relationship with your subscribers, they're more likely to buy from you. So don't be afraid to try to sell something to them. Okay, I know the main topic of this course was to make money online without selling, but hey, you now have that option with this list. So if you desire to earn other income streams, feel free to promote paid affiliate offers to your list. Okay, and that takes me to my last point, which is to take care of your list, and it will take care of you. Okay, they've been a great source of income for me and my business, and for a lot of marketers. So make sure you take care of your list. Provide lots of great content, nurture your relationship with them, and every once in a while, they'll be willing to pay for products that you promote to them.